If your Bingoplus account is already linked to Gcash and you're ready to withdraw your money, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's begin. First, open the Bingoplus app and log into your account. Once you're inside, go to your wallet or tap on your account balance. Now select the withdraw option. Since your Gcash account is already linked, you should see Gcash listed as your withdrawal method automatically. Tap on Gcash. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure the amount meets the minimum withdrawal requirement shown on the screen. After entering the amount, tap Confirm or Submit. You may receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code to complete the transaction. Once confirmed, your withdrawal request will be processed. In many cases, the money arrives in your Gcash account within minutes, but sometimes it can take a few hours depending on system processing times. To check the status, simply go to your transaction history inside the app. And that's it. That's how you withdraw money from Bingoplus to Gcash. If your accounts are already linked. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials.